Carlos, say something. Okay.
I gotta drive at least 120 miles. Well, I mean, it's not great, but it's still better than the truck, you know? Look at this. See that point? That point where clouds meet the mountains. There was a rock on the freeway, like of mud, and I feel like it might have hit the car. I don't know, maybe. Leaving class early because I gotta take the car to the dealership because apparently there's a recall. Yeah. There she is in all her glory. Wow. I gotta go to class. I'm late to class. I'll be late to class. It's 11:36. Class starts at 11:20. What the heck? So I'm out here. I'm at a counseling appointment in the Keller. I'm pretty hungry. Something about this feels illegal. Primo! So what's the wrong one?
What's wrong with why?
Because of the quick connect. See? The other one I was like, it was a different fitting.
It's the same fitting, bro.
No, it's not. It's
What are you
different.
talking about?
It's a different one. It's not the other way. How can it be the other way?
You're supposed to force it in this way.
Nope.
Are you recording?
Yes.
You don't have the right to record me.
I'm in class right now, dude.
What happened?
I'm in class right now.
You're in class?
Oh, shoot. Dang. Never mind. We're just talking about scholarships.
You ready for YouTube? Are you hearing through the...
I'm hearing like 3 different conversations right now because I'm in class and I'm talking to you guys. So my brain's like exploding.
Are you off the clock? You can't be back here, sir. Okay.
We're at the kitchen.
Only people that are clocked in can be back here. You see Joel? He's on the side.
He's like at the halfway.
He's at the halfway thing.
Those customers.
He's at that mark.
The customers are bringing like, I need this right.
Oh, like last time.
Let me just look it up for you, man.
Like last time, I was helping some guy bringing oil. That fool walked in, se metió por acá, y went all the way back.
What the f***? Dude, back your
He did. Just like, oh, it's por el otro lado. And he's like, oh. Yeah, Little Caesars too. We had the little shield. People would be like, it's messing up pizza, bro. What the f***? Back the straight up slap him.
See right there? What the f? Kendrick's? Like, only way game is on today is if coaches prep the field in clean water. It will be a little wet conditions, and then at the end, it's committed down kind of hard. Might have to cancel it after all. Guys, opposed to heavy rain. I can't understand this. What the heck? Why are you so weird, dude?
It's not funny, dude.
Alright, fine, yeah.
Look at that. You have something started right there.
That was the one that I was writing last time. They said, oh, you don't need to write that one because it was already processed.
Use these to the customers.
Fine.
Thank you. God damn it, Robert. See how you try to lie to me? You what the you recording me for?
I'm gonna sue you.
Straight up.
Yeah.
You rich. You rich. You have no right to record me.
Oh, my beeper works now. Ahí está el primo. It's the goat, Alex over there. 100% son. Let's go. She's not crazy. She's just old. She's that old one. She's the old cat lady.
Look, it's a Pixar character.
It's a camera of a camera of a camera.
Yeah.
No, that's the things from Spy Kids.
The thumbs?
No, that was the Play-Doh one. Where
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Bye guys. You should see. Wait till Sunday. I'll send you a link. Bye guys.
Later.
Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Primo. Ahí está. Míralo. Míralo. Oh. Oh, vamos a machucar. Vamos a machucar. Mechanics. Truck. Ha. Bruh. Where the heck is everybody? Why do you do this to me? I've seen this film like so many more times than you guys. But hopefully you guys like it. It's raining pretty hard right now, but I guess the rain stopped because now it's not raining. It's kind of sunny. That took longer than I thought it was gonna take. But I think it was a good confession. A lot of people. I'm pretty hungry. What's up, Juan?
Hi.
How you doing? Yeah? Me too. Doing really good.
Okay.
I went to confession.
There's a really big line.
I know. I was there for like almost 3 hours. Juan, I have a YouTube channel now. Yeah! Let's go see what they're doing.
And you got a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Yeah, another one.
This is my height. Then me.
This is a vlogging camera.
It doesn't spin like that. Doesn't spin like that. This is all slow. I don't know why. Look,
See your,
this is super slow.
Wait, I want to see it.
what's your channel?
Where clouds meet the mountains.
That's just
You
called.
have us the
Yeah.
person on the bed.
Look at my channel. Look at my channel, bro. All right, 20 subscribers and no videos. Sheesh. Almost 20 subscribers. Paulo, you want to be the 20 subscriber?
Sure.
He doesn't even have a YouTube account. It's not raining, so now I have to run. But I'm gonna water the plants first.
Wait.
So I know it doesn't look like I did much today, but I did a lot of editing and I uploaded all kinds of stuff. I did some homework and I created the YouTube channel. So That's cool. Should be coming out Sunday.
Just minutes after an apparent miracle at Sunday Mass. What happened?
Hi. See you guys tomorrow.
I want to be on YouTube, please.
You gonna be on YouTube? Alright, see you guys. It's already past my bedtime. See that? 20 minutes. Easy. My toes are frozen. My shoe got untied. It's still untied. And I was running in the dark. And so I can't even hear myself. Tomorrow is oil day. I'm gonna be so tired.